guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a cockroach on Dress to Impress. A lot of people have been doing some like costumes with this hot dog outfit, so just change your skin color to like a brown. It actually doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna put it. Get on a pair of tights and color it this color. I will put this, well, it's here and we only will use this color, so keep that in mind. And I am going to get the boots, these ones, and I'm going to also color it the same color as the tights. Select the hot dog costume, and you're going to select this pattern and you're going to apply it to all of it, creating this look. Then you're going to go into VIP and you're going to get the antlers here, and you're going to color it the same as the rest of your body. And then you're going to get this horn and you're going to color it the same as well. Lastly, you're going to need these wings. Put them on and color it this color, a little bit brighter than the rest of the accessories, I guess. Then to look more like a cockroach, you're going to use the belly flop pose, which is under troll pose back. And that is it. This is the roach on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.